Hey everyone, is Marvel Rivals crashing your GPU in 2025? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. First, update your graphics drivers. Head to NVIDIA or AMD's website. Download the latest version and reboot your PC. Next, lower your in-game graphics settings. Set them to medium or low and turn off ray tracing, VSync, and anti-aliasing. Now, run Marvel Rivals as an administrator. Just right click the game file, go to compatibility, and check Run as Administrator. Also disable overlays from apps like GeForce Experience, Steam, or Discord. They often cause crashes. Still not working? Verify the game files through your launcher to repair your corrupted data. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. It can solve a ton of GPU's issues. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.